Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Wednesday, June 9, 2021, and we're going to talk about something very special. Today we're going to talk about the weather vocabulary. I know you already know this, but let's review it a little bit. So we have sunny, that is when the sun is out and gives us his light. We only see the sun. The sky is clear. We have rainy when the drops of water come out from the sky. Rainy. The cloudy when we don't see the sun at all. And it's like dark, a little dark outside, but it's not too dark. We have foggy. That is when we cannot see anything because there's fog between us and stuff like that. Very common here in the beach that in the morning we see a little fog. Then we have snowy. Snow. But here in Ensenada it doesn't snow, so we don't have snowy. We have windy. When there is a lot of air outside. We have stormy. Stormy when we see lightning in the sky. Lightning. So let's play again. Let's see if you can guess that weather in these pictures before I end up putting the squares. Okay, ready, set, go. So, if you say windy, you are correct, guys. Very good. Let's see the other one. If you answer cold, you are correct. If your answer is rainy, you are correct. If you enter snowy, you are sorry, correct. Let's see the next one. If you enter hot, you are correct. If you enter cloudy, you are correct. If you enter sunny, you are correct. Okay, now as we talk about the weather, we also need to talk about the seasons. There are 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. As you know, we're still in spring, but soon it's going to be summer. So let's practice a little more. Okay? The same game, you need to get the season before I quit all the squares. If you said spring, you are correct. If you said here summer, you are correct. In here, if you said autumn, you are correct. The last one, very easy. What is it? It's winter. So if you said winter, you are correct. Congratulations, you complete all the games. I want you to tell me in the comments how many do you got it right. If you got all right, tell me. If you got 2, 3, 4 right, tell me. It doesn't matter. I'm going to give it a like. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a very nice day, and thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.